What's going on, everybody? Today's Thursday. Warm welcomes from Revline KC here. Just want to show you guys what we're shipping out. One of our guys down in Texas hit us up for some parts on his K-Swap to get ready for the 2019 season. This is the ASP K-Swap shifter base plate for the RSX style shifter box. It does have a mounting base for the 402 staging brake from CNC or anything like that. Here's the staging brake handle itself. It has an 1/8 inch port on the back, and I'll show you what that goes to here shortly. But this, what it helps with is to lock the rear brakes on whenever you're lining up at the light or pre-staging. To complete the setup is going to be our finishing lines rear staging brake hose kit. And since he is running the FCS rear trailing arms, he's going to need some additional brake lines. These do mount up to the factory mounting bracket, which makes it for a really clean install. If you guys have any questions, just give us a call, send us a message, or just jump on the website at revlinekc.com. And all of these are listed on the site. If you guys need help, again, just reach out to me. We'll get you guys taken care of. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again later.